Hey guys, Nicole here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about the Moxie magnetic lashes. If you are subscribed to my channel or you have seen a few of my videos, you know I do not do a lot of videos about beauty or makeup, and that's just because that is not my lane. I'm not an expert. I mostly do natural hair tutorials, product reviews, vlogs, etc. like that. However, I wanted to try out the Moxie magnetic lashes and see how they worked for beginners like me, and that video got a lot of views here recently, probably because everyone's stuck at home in quarantine and trying new things. And a few people have asked me to do a updated video and see if I still like the Moxie magnetic lashes. I'm not going to do a tutorial on how to apply them because that last video I played around with them, figured out how to apply them, etc. So this one is actually an update if I'm still using them and how I'm liking them, and a few tips and tricks I've learned along the way. So let's get started. So I have 4 pairs of the Moxie magnetic lashes, and I'm going to explain why. So when I initially got the Moxie magnetic lashes, I did not know a lot about them. I tried to watch videos on them, figure out how to apply them, how to take care of them, etc. And the first set I got, it was the Classy and the Sassy, and I actually really like them. I'm wearing Classy right now, and I used them probably twice, and the magnets started coming off. And so I mentioned this in the comments of the last video when somebody asked me. The magnets did come off. I had some trouble with that, and so I contacted the company, and surprisingly, they messaged me back really quickly. They asked for pictures and they sent me a whole new set. So that's why I have 2 of the Classy, 2 of the Sassy. And they were really sweet, and they told me how to actually care for them and to keep them clean. So the way I was cleaning them was not correct. I was trying to use like a Q-tip with makeup remover to try to like get it off, and the cotton was getting stuck to the magnet, and so that wasn't a successful way of cleaning them. And the company also told me how to clean them, but it just seemed like what I was doing was wrong until I watched a live tutorial, and the girl said that she just simply took her nail and got the excess product off of the magnet, and so that helped. So my second pair has been doing way better. And the other thing is, I think when I was first learning how to do them, I was not waiting until the liner was completely dry. And so now when I do my makeup, I will do my eyes first, apply the liner, and then go on and do the rest of my face. That way my liner has time to dry. So those are the 2 things I learned. Get the excess product off with your nail, and make sure you give the product enough time to dry. So yes, I'm still using them. Yes, I still like them. Now, the other problem I was having was with the actual liner. I was getting it everywhere. It was all on my lashes. I just could not figure this stuff out, and then it looked so messy while I was applying it. So one thing that I have been doing, well actually 2 things that I have been doing, is I've been using a regular eye pencil and outlining it first and then going over with this so it doesn't look as messy. And that's just like a minor thing. I just didn't like that it looked so messy. The other thing I've been doing is I just went and got a cheap eyeliner from Ulta or somewhere, and just I've been practicing with it, practicing over and over. Practice makes perfect. And a tip I saw on the live is they said to hold a mirror under your chin and then apply it, so that kind of helps too. I just go on, hold my eye, and put it on, because I mean, if it's messy, it's messy, but I have the liner under it, so you can't even tell that it's messy. So yes, I still like the Moxie magnetic lashes. You need to be really careful and care for them to get a lot of uses out of it. I still like how easy it is to apply. I just literally pop them on and off. Okay, I'm not gonna do that right now though, because I can't see. But they come on and off. They're easy to take off and clean. Like I said, I have on the Classy right now. Sassy is a bit sassy for me. They're like, whoo, and they're really pretty, but I think just for like day-to-day, that is too much for me. So I like wearing the Classy day-to-day. Not to say that I won't ever wear Sassy. It's just Classy is a bit more everyday for me. So that is it. That is all. I hope this updated video helps you all get the answers that you need. I feel like I've answered some of this in the comments, but some people, I know everybody doesn't read the comments, and so I just wanted to come quickly tell you an update. If I'm still using them, if I still like them. Let me give you a close-up. They're probably like not on the best. A little bit messy, I know, but yes, I still like them. Yes, I still use them, and they are staying strong. Just remember to follow the directions on the packaging, how to care for them and clean them, and you should not have any problems. If you do, I know somebody said that they had some problems and that they were allergic to it, and I have very sensitive skin, and that was something I was really worried about. So I would read the ingredients and make sure, and if you are allergic and have a problem, I would definitely contact customer service, because like I said, they got right back with me. I didn't have any problems. They sent me a new pair and they were really helpful. So I hope this video is helpful, and if you are not a subscriber, if you are here just for the Moxie lashes, thank you for watching that video, and thank you for watching this video. And if you are not already subscribed to my channel, please feel free to subscribe and join the Natural Niche family. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Let me know if you have used this brand or other brands, or if you are planning on using any of the magnetic lashes that are out there. There are so many different kinds out there. Comment down below and let me know your experience, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye guys.